Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to show you 5 powerful workshop tools that can help you complete countless DIY projects with perfection. So let's take a look. First up, Klein Tool's Digital Angle Gauge, a compact tool that makes measuring angles faster and more accurate. With its zero calibration feature, you can measure relative angles or use it as a digital level with ease. The high-visibility reverse contrast display automatically rotates when upside down, so you can read it from almost any position. Its strong magnetic base attaches securely to metal surfaces, while the V-groove edges help align perfectly with pipes and conduits. Measuring from 0 to 90 or 0 to 180 degrees, it's ideal for woodworking, electrical work, and conduit bending. Deep Hole Carpenter Pencil Set, a must-have tool for woodworkers, contractors, and DIYers. This set includes 2 solid Carpenter pencils, 26 durable 2.8mm refills, a built-in sharpener, and a storage box. The extra-long 45mm tip easily reaches deep holes and tight spaces where regular pencils simply can't. The strong 2.8mm lead resists breaking while marking on wood, metal, plastic, paper, and more. And because the sharpener attaches directly to the pencil, it's always ready when you need it. For fast, accurate marking on the job, this compact pencil set is a tool you'll want in every toolbox. Temple Tool Co. Japanese Cut Saw, the perfect tool for cleanly trimming dowels, pegs, wedges, and tenons flush with the surface. Made in Japan by skilled artisans with over 100 years of sawmaking experience, this saw combines traditional craftsmanship with modern performance. Its razor-sharp Japanese steel blade cuts on the pull stroke, creating smooth, precise cuts with minimal effort. The beautiful beechwood handle and brass components add a premium feel, while the thin, narrow curved blade helps protect surrounding surfaces. Whether you're a professional woodworker or a DIY enthusiast, this Japanese pole saw delivers the clean, professional finish your projects deserve. Contour Gauge Profile Tool, a simple solution for copying tricky shapes in seconds. Its friction-fit pins smoothly conform to irregular edges, allowing you to capture the exact outline and transfer it directly to wood, tile, vinyl, and other materials. You get both a 10-inch and 5-inch gauge, with clear metric and imperial scales on both sides for precise measurements. Powerful built-in magnets keep the gauges securely attached to metal toolboxes and workshop surfaces. Made from lightweight, scratch-free ABS plastic, this tool is perfect for DIY projects. Dremel 4300 Rotary Toolkit, a powerful all-in-one solution for cutting, sanding, grinding, polishing, engraving, and more. Its high-performance motor delivers speeds from 5,000 to 35,000 RPM, while electronic feedback helps maintain consistent performance and precise control. The universal 3-jaw chuck works with all Dremel accessory shank sizes, and the pivot light illuminates hard-to-reach areas for better visibility. An innovative airflow system helps keep the tool cooler, smoother, and quieter during demanding projects.